Now let's move to the next activity, that is question answers, question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's do it. So dear friends, now let's see the question answers from page number 80, unit number 7, Hector the collector. Dear students, you have to write down these questions and answers into your notebook. Alright. So the second question is that how do you know that Hector loved all the things he collected? Okay. हेक्टर को ये सभी चीजें जो वो जमा करता था वो उसको पसंद थी, ये हमें कैसे पता चलता है? सो द आंसर इज Hector loved all the things that he collected because instead of throwing the junk, he invited the people to see his treasure trunk. Okay, I repeat again. Hector loved all the things that he collected because instead of throwing the junk, he invited the people to see his treasure trunk. Okay, वो लोगों को बुलाता था अपना ट्रेजर ट्रंक दिखाने के लिए. Okay. Number 3, what did he call his collection? Okay, so what did Hector call his collection? So the answer is he called his collections treasure. Okay, he called his collections treasure. All right. Number 4, what did the people call Hector's collection? Question is, what did the people call Hector's collection? Okay, so the answer is the people called the Hector's collection as junk. Okay, I repeat again. The people called the Hector's collection as junk. Junk means bekar, kabad. Okay. Then number 5, sightless people are blind people. पीपल में कहा, स्टोरी में पोएम में कहा गया है कि साइटलेस पीपल. ओके, साइटलेस पीपल्स मतलब ब्लाइंड पीपल, जिनको दिखता नहीं. ओके, वर दीज पीपल रियली ब्लाइंड? क्या पोएम की जो हेक्टर ने जिन लोगों को बुलाया था जो कहते थे कि दीज आर द सिली जंक, वो जो हेक्टर पर हंसते थे वो क्या सच में ब्लाइंड थे? व्हाट डिड दे नॉट सी? उन्होंने क्या नहीं देखा था? सो द आंसर इज they did not see the love with which Hector prized these possessions. Okay, means Hector ने जिस मेहनत से और जिस प्यार से ये सब कबाड़ और जंग चीजों को अपना ट्रेजर बनाया था, उनको उसकी वो खुशी दिखाई नहीं दी. उसका प्यार उन चीजों के प्रति, उसका कलेक्शन का एक हैबिट, गुड हैबिट, वो नहीं दिखा. एंड दैट्स व्हाई पोएट here called the peoples are sightless or blind people. Actually they are not blind, but they could not understand the feelings, emotions and joy of Hector. Okay, so the answer is they did not see the love with which Hector prized these possessions. Okay, मतलब उसके पास में ये काफी एक बड़े ट्रेजर के खजाने के तौर पर ये था और हेक्टर was very much happy with that. Okay, so I hope dear students you have understood all these activities. Please mention these question answers into your notebook. I will provide separate sheet for the question answers also. Okay, so take care and have a good day. Here A, learn to use better words. Okay, learn to use better words. Use these words and phrases given in the box to replace the underlined phrases. Here some sentences are given and we have to replace these phrases, okay, underlined phrases, words into the new word. Okay, and to make the sentence in a better way. Okay, हमें replace करके एक नया शब्द यूज करना है एंड अच्छे से सेंटेंस बनाना है. So the car hit a tree and the windshield broke into small pieces. Okay, so what is the meaning of broke into small pieces is given here and we have to write down the appropriate word from this box. Okay, so what is the word for that? The car hit a tree and the windshield shield, it will take time. Broken into small pieces means shattered. Okay, shield shattered. Okay, so see how the sentence, these phrases is replaced by this word shattered. The meaning is same. Okay, shattered. Now second, Hemant went out and did not appear for an hour. So what is the meaning of did not appear? Did not appear means वो दिखाई नहीं means disappear. Okay, so Hemant went out and we have disappeared. Okay, so did not in past tense and disappeared. Okay, means वहां से गायब ही हो गया, दिखाई नहीं किसी को. Underline this, disappeared. Okay, so dear friends, you have to write down all these things into your notebook and this textbook as well. Okay, for an hour. Okay, then we said we would complete our work by Monday. Okay, means we would said, हमने कहा मतलब हमने प्रॉमिस किया कि मंडे तक हम अपना वर्क पूरा कर देंगे. We, so what is here, which word हमने कहा, प्रॉमिस. yes, promise. We promised to complete. Okay, to complete our work by Monday. By Monday means Monday tak. Okay, so you have to use such words. Okay, dear friends. Number 4, the jeans lost their color after being dried in the sun. Lost their color means उसका कलर उड़ गया. Okay, so कलर उड़ने को हम कहते हैं कलर फेडेड हो जाना. Okay, so the jeans faded means कलर उड़ जाना. Okay, losing color, faded after being dried in the sun. Okay, so then faded, underline. Okay, faded, we got it. faded लिखना है दोस्तों आपको. we did not listen to मतलब नहीं सुनना. मतलब हम क्या करते हैं? ओके, टीचर मीन्स टीचर अगर नहीं सुनते तो दैट इज कॉल्ड disobey. ओके, सो द सेंटेंस विल बी we did not listen to our teacher and got into trouble. हम अपने टीचर की बात नहीं मानते और फिर हमें मुश्किल में पड़ना पड़ता है. we disobeyed. so what is the meaning of did not listen? Disobeyed. Okay, disobeyed our teacher and got into trouble. Trouble means difficulties, problem. Okay, then he tried to show, दिखाने की कोशिश किया. Okay, tried to show that he was ill but we all knew he was fine. ट्राइड टू शो मतलब दिखावा किया. ट्राइड टू शो मतलब उसने दिखाने की कोशिश किया कि वो बीमार है लेकिन हमें पता था कि वो अच्छा था. सो ऐसे दिखावे करने को हम कहते हैं प्रिटेंड करने. ओके, प्रिटेंड करना, प्रिटेंडेड. ओके, सो सेंटेंस विल बी ही pretended that he was ill. What is the meaning of ill? बीमार होना, sick होना. But we all knew he was fine. Okay, full stop. Then Mrs. Dasgupta made us feel bad. When she said our picnic had been cancelled. ओके, मेड अस फील बैड मतलब हमको बुरा लगा. मतलब हमें क्या किया मैडम ने? कैसी न्यूज़ दी जिससे हम क्या हुए? डिसअपॉइंट हुए, नाराज हुए. ओके, सो मिसेस दास गुप्ता डिसअपॉइंटेड अस. ओके, डिसअपॉइंटेड मतलब जो हमारी इच्छा थी उसको पूरी नहीं की. ओके, Mrs. Dasgupta disappointed us when she said our picnic
I am writing here had been cancer. Dear students, you have to note down all these words properly into your notebook, okay, and textbook as well. Number 8, we said we were sorry. We said we were sorry. Sorry के लिए we have words. It is the word is given apologize. Apologized. Okay. So we apologized. माफी मांगना. Okay. Sorry कहना. Apologized. And our teacher said it was all right. All right means उसने कहा कि चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, मतलब माफ कर दिया. टीचर so said it was all right means forgave us. Okay, teacher forgave us. Okay, so now we are on page number 82. so match the opposites of these verbs. Okay, हमें opposite लिखना है और मैच करना है. ओके, सो some words are given in column A and B. Okay, we have to match these words. So you have to, dear students, you have to do it into your textbook, but you have to learn the spellings as well. Okay, so appear, disappear. Okay, so appear, disappear. Okay, then begin, begin means शुरुआत करना, so end. Okay, so option D. All right, then close, बंद करना, A, open. All right, how is it is for you, depart. Okay, निकल जाना, arrive means पहुंचना. Okay, then find, lose. Okay, then move to the number 6, forget, भूल जाना, remember, याद रखना, है ना. These are very very simple words, but you have to learn these by heart. So sleep, सोना, awake, जागना, stop, start, है ना. कितना इजी है. टेक, गिव, ऑप्शन यप, एंड अंडू, डू, दिस ऑप्शन इज इन कंप्यूटर. ओके, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड्स you have to match and learn these words. These are the opposite words. Okay, so I hope, dear students, today you have, in today's period, you have understood all these activities. Okay, so please learn well, do well, and do study at your home. Enjoy studies. Thank you and see you in the next period.